Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and it's Noodle Tuesday. Now if you're new to the channel, and thank you for becoming a subscriber, really appreciate it. Bit of a clue there to what I'm reviewing, a clue, you've already seen the title. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, you might not know that every Tuesday I review some sort of noodles. Well, this week it's something a bit different. Yes, it's noodles, but it's a proper noodle meal as opposed to dried noodles. And this is Iceland takeaway Shanghai beef noodles. £2.50 or 2 for £4. Right, one chilli rating. It says it's new. I don't know if it is or not, but I've never tried it before. There we go. Cooked noodles with cooked beef slices in a soy sauce with mushrooms. And the noodles make up 26% of this. So I think that qualifies it for being in the Noodle Tuesday series, don't you? As that's the the ingredient there's the most of in there. 11% cooked beef, 9% mushrooms. Any other percentages? I don't think so. You've got spring onion and carrot in this as well. Soy sauce, dried red chillies, you know, the sort of things you'd expect really in a meal like this. 375 grams, so not quite as big as a lot of ready meals. 400 grams is a fairly standard size, although some of them are sort of creeping down in size, aren't they? And staying the same price, or some are creeping down in size and the price is going up. Yeah, a bit sneaky. Who'd have thought the supermarkets would be sneaky, eh? What a surprise. Right, what else can I tell you about it? You can put it in the oven for 40 minutes. I ain't doing that. Or you can put it in the microwave for 7 minutes. And that's what I'll be doing. I don't think there's any traffic light system on this one. No. I wonder why some ready meals and other foods have traffic light systems on them and some don't. Please let me know. I don't know what the law is around that. They obviously don't have to do it, or this would have it. Does it say where the beef comes from? I know some of you like to know that. Does it come from Shanghai? I don't think it says. There's normally a little symbol, isn't there, that denotes where the meat comes from. I can't see anything. It's probably staring me straight in the face. That's usually the way with me. I'm looking for something and it's right there. It's the biggest writing you would ever see, but no, I can't see it. Right, here's what it looks like before it gets cooked. Cooked. Reheated, I should say. It's not exactly cooking, is it? Right, I'll get that reheated and I'll bring you back. Right, here we go. And there it is. This smells incredible. It smells like a proper Chinese takeaway chow mein. It really does smell like a proper Chinese... Yeah, I've already said it. It smells so good. I've had to go through it and cut some of the beef up because most of it was in really big chunks. Right, here we go then. Shanghai beef noodles. Oh, that's really good. It's really got an authentic Chinese taste to it. really thick sauce. The noodles are very thick. If I was being fussy, I'd say they were a little on the soft side, but not much. You know, they're okay. They're okay. They're more than okay. Right, I've got a bit of the beef here. It's one of the bits I cut up. You probably might be able to see how thick it is. Really tender bit of beef. God, I'm impressed with this. If you buy this on the offer, so it's only £2, that is great. Right, another forkful there with a bit of the beef and loads of noodles and the sauce, obviously. Now that bit of beef was a little on the chewy side. It felt a bit sort of sinewy, if that makes sense. Let's try another bit. Right, that was okay. One more bit. What I'll do, I'm not going to eat it all in front of you. I'll put an update comment letting you know what all the beef was like. But that is a lovely taste. So Iceland Shanghai beef noodles, £2.50, 2 for £4. So if you buy it in the offer, it's only £2. For £2, that's great. I really like that. One chilli rating, which is about right. Yeah, there's a bit of spice there. There's plenty of taste. As I said, I'll put an update comment down below to let you know what all the beef was like, because I've had a couple of good bits and one bit not so good. But yeah, full of flavour, genuine, authentic tasting. Yeah, I like that. You could probably tell. I recommend it. Okay, thanks for watching that one, and I'll see you in the next video.